Hi there, I'm Carol from Microsoft Azure Log Analytics. Welcome to the Advanced Analytics portal. This portal is available to you as a user of Azure Log Analytics or Azure Application Insights. Today, we'll be learning about the basics of the portal. Here we are in the Advanced Analytics portal. You can see saved and recent queries and read some basic information about the tool on this homepage. To start writing a query, however, we'll open a new tab. On the left, we can see our schema pane. Here we can see the different data sources available to us. Expanding any of the nodes, we'll see the different tables that every solution uses. Expanding any table will show us the columns that that table contains. Knowing how your data looks is the first step towards writing any query. We write our queries in the Query pane. Press Go or Shift-Enter, and then get our results in the Results pane. Let's start with a performance counter query. Let's say we wanted to look at the % CPU usage performance counter. We can filter our data using the where operator. We'll start by specifying the data type we're going to query, perf. Next, we'll add a pipe and start typing in where. Notice that IntelliSense kicked in? I'll press Tab to lock in this suggestion. Next, we'll need to specify what column to filter down on. I'll start typing counter name, which is the column where the counter names are stored. Again, IntelliSense jumps in and helps me write my query. I'll lock the suggestion in. Next, IntelliSense, knowing that this is a string column, offers me a choice of all the different string comparison operators we have available, from full string, case-sensitive compare, to case-insensitive variants. Starts with, contains, to even regex extraction. We have a huge amount of options available to us. Let's use equal equal for now. Now let's type in the name of the counter we're looking for. We'll press Go, and now we only see the results for the processor time counter. I can also press the chevron next to each row to expand the results of that row to give myself more horizontal space to read. Let's say we wanted to see the average CPU usage for each computer in 15-minute buckets. We'll again use IntelliSense and the Summarize operator to help us get this data. Let's execute this query. We now have a row with the average CPU load for every computer and every 15-minute bucket. We can also see the distinct values for each of the columns if we switch to the Facets view. For any query in Analytics, we can also visualize our results to help us better see the patterns within the data. To do this, we'll press Chart. I think a line chart will work better here, so I'll change my chart type. Awesome! I can now pin this graph to a shared Azure dashboard, save the query, and export the results to Excel, Power BI, or a link I can share with my colleagues. This introduction was just scratching the surface of what is possible with analytics. From advanced aggregations, inline calculated columns, joining across multiple data sources, to even machine learning. There is a wealth of great features for you to discover. Continue your advanced analytics journey by clicking the documentation references to go to our documentation site, where you'll find cheat sheets, more tutorials like this one, sample queries, the full language reference, and more. Thanks for watching.